I'm Delilah from Screaming O, and I'm here to tell you all about our new Screaming O PrimO Rabbit. As a rabbit-style vibe, the PrimO Rabbit is mostly used for simultaneous external and internal stimulation. With 4.5 inches of insertable length and 4.25 inches at its widest diameter, this vibe features 2 of our powerful 5+5 motors, which deliver 5 steady speeds of vibration and 5 pulsating vibration patterns, along with both the shaft and the clitoral arm. Made from body-safe True Silicone and ABS plastic, this vibe is rechargeable and waterproof. Both the shaft and the extended arm of the rabbit are flexible, which means that they fit most bodies comfortably. Note that the ring-shaped handle is fashioned into our iconic O. The subtle ridges inside the ring also serve to help you grip the handle when things get slippery. Use the ring to control the push, pull, and pressure. So, let's talk about actually using this vibe, because it features both a travel lock and standby function, so it doesn't turn on when you least expect it or want it to. To turn it on, press and hold down the power button. It will vibrate once, then stop. This indicates that it is on, but is in standby mode. Another click of the button will activate the first of the vibration functions, and every click of the button after will cycle to the next function. To turn the rabbit off, press and hold the button until the vibrations stop. The PrimO Rabbit has an approximate runtime of 60 minutes. When it is time to charge it, plugging the charging cable into the vibe requires a firm push of the pin into the silicone port until the base of the pin is flush with the vibe. You will feel it click into place. Then plug the USB into a regular USB port, hub, or outlet. It is best to keep the vibe away from a fast charging unit to prolong the life of the lithium battery and the fun. The indicator light will blink while the vibrator is charging, then turn to a steady light once it has finished. It takes approximately 2 hours for it to fully charge. Finally, let's look at the packaging. Each PrimO Rabbit comes in a giftable box with a magnetic closure. The box is great for storing your product and its charging cable when not in use. When you open the box, you will see a QR code on the inside of the front cover. This code will take you to the product information page, which gives you details on our warranty policy as well as the address to register your product. Screaming O PrimO products are backed by a 2-year warranty, which covers factory defects. Fun fact, Screaming O charged, PrimO, and Premium Vibes all use the same charging cable. If you need to replace a lost or damaged cable, they are sold separately for your convenience. Thank you so much for joining me here at Screaming O. Have fun, stay naughty, and keep the vibes going. See you next time.